The active ingredient in Roundup is called glyphosate.
They've found glyphosate in wine, breast milk, urine, and drinking water, eggs, oatmeal, bread.
There is an increasing body of evidence. Levels of glyphosate exposure, given enough time, can result in potentially serious disease.
Glyphosate is the most popular weed killer in the world. Glyphosate may pose heightened cancer risk. Last year, the World Health Organization's Cancer Research Agency classified glyphosate as a probable carcinogen.
Preclinical trials proved 74% reduction of glyphosate in just 6 weeks. Third-party validated as the world's first and only glyphosate solution, receiving the gold seal of approval from the Detox Project. Biome Medic.